You're exhausted. You want to get back to you time. You want to get back to sleep. You just want things to be easier. I want you to really understand why your little one is waking up at night, why they're having so much trouble with sleep. You know that your child is tired. I have so many parents that come to me. They're like, I know they're exhausted. I know they're not getting the sleep that they need. Why are they not going to sleep, right? Before 2 years old, the day sleep is more predictable. After 2 years old, it's really dependent on the child. We're going to talk specifically about how to set up our little ones for great sleep at this age. How is your little one's room set up? Is there light coming into that room? Is there a sound machine? Is there a lovey that they use? All of these things are tools to help set the best environment. If they're getting 12 hours and they do need a little bit of complementary sleep, that they're getting that. If they don't, how do we adjust their bedtime so that they are getting the amount of sleep that they need? And that's why bedtime is so difficult for a lot of families.